Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Putrus Mille with you. Okay, today's video is very unique and it's a technique actually. First, I want to tell you what topic I'm going to choose today. Today, I'm going to tell you about what is Ho'oponopono. I'm sure you heard this word, a lot of time, like through Insta, or might be from YouTube, or might be your friend or relative suggests you to follow, Ho'oponopono. Okay. First, I really want to ask you, ever you heard or feel, or did you know you can heal your life, your past and your inner blocks with just 4 words? No, right? Okay, today, no expensive therapy, no long sessions, no long rituals, just a pure connection with your own soul, right? Okay, first, I'll tell you 4 words come from an ancient Hawaiian technique called Ho'oponopono. In short, if I want to tell you what is Ho'oponopono, look, in today's video now we will uncover what is Ho'oponopono really is. Look, the deep meaning of the 4 magical words and how to use them to heal and to transform your life. Okay, let's start today's video. First, as I said, we will tell you what is Ho'oponopono. So Ho'oponopono is a very unique technique. Ho'oponopono means like to make right or to correct. It's an ancient Hawaiian spiritual practice or a technique based on a simple yet powerful beliefs. Okay, in a very short form, I'll tell you, everything in your reality is your responsibility. Yes, even things that seem unfair or painful. Why? The question is why? Look, because your subconscious store memories, emotion, patterns, and it's those inner programs that shape your outer reality. Lot of people are not aware with this. So when you feel or when you heal yourself, you healing your world actually. This the core of Ho'oponopono. Got it? Now come. I'll tell you 4 magical words which is very helpful and is totally depend and reflect Ho'oponopono. The practice of Ho'oponopono is based on 4 simple phrases. I already made a lot of videos related this. Anyways, the first word is I am sorry. The second, please forgive me. The third one is thank you. And the fourth one is I love you. Let's break down these deeper meaning. What does it mean? Okay, if you are saying I am sorry for carrying the old thought, old emotions and old pain. Please forgive me. If you're saying please forgive me, not from others but from your own soul, right? If you're saying thank you to the universe, your body, your mind, for the chance to heal, right? And if you are saying I love you, the highest frequency, the most powerful cleanser, I'm telling you. These are not just word or phrases, they are pure energy codes. And they speak directly to your subconscious mind or subconscious and divine self. I'll tell you very interesting but that is really work. A question is raised and automatically question comes like, is the Ho'oponopono is really work? Look, you might be wondering, can just 4 words and just saying 4 phrases really change my words, my life, my spiritual, my everything? The answer is yes, definitely. And how? Yes, I'll tell you. Look, but you have to understand very deeply. Scientifically, repeating these phrases shift your brain waves, regulates your nerve system and bring you into a calm on a calm state. The energy, energetically, they clean deep emotional memories stored in your subconscious mind or in subconscious body. Spirituality, if I'm talking about, they connect you with your higher self and open channel of divine healing. And also, I want to tell you one true story. There is one doctor, a Hawaiian therapist he was, and he healed an entire ward of, criminal, insane patient without meeting them like in person. He simply read their, flies and, repeated it. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. And this is proven, and you can also Google this. You can find the whole information. And how practice Ho'oponopono daily. I'm telling you, you have to follow this ritual, follow this step. But how? Look, I'll tell you step by step. Your 5 minutes daily ritual. You have to sit whatever suitable time. Sit quietly, close your eyes, bring up any problem. health, relation, stress, family, your job, whatever. So okay, slowly you have to repeat, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. Try 10 to 15 times with feeling. Let the word flow thought you're not from you. You have to hear like from everywhere. Say it while holding a glass of water and drink it after finishing your phrases. This is called water memory healing. It carries the vibration through your or through every cell of your body. Okay, you have to be very innovative and very practical while using this technique. Okay, the first question, when to use Ho'oponopono. When to use means what comes in your mind. You can use this healing method any time before sleeping, after your sleep, even though when you feel anxiety or pressure or whatever, when you are holding on to guilt or regret, when relationship feel toxic or draining, and if you're not achieving things in your life, when you are stuck in a loop or self doubt, and also when like you want to manifest or like manifest with clarity, or simply when you need peace in your life. Try this. The biggest secret of Ho'oponopono is you are not fixing others. If you are using Ho'oponopono, you are healing, you are cleaning yourself, and as you clean, your world begins to shift, and positivity already like try to enter in your life. It's a magical, I'm telling you. It's a technique, I'm telling you. But if you are feeling, if you are doing, and if you are doing practice, you really don't know what comes in your life in a positive way. You don't need anything outside of you to heal. No tools, no technique, just 4 scared words and your heart. Simple. So today I'm requesting you, forgive yourself, love yourself, and love people around you. Thank the universe, thank for your breathing, and be sorry for holding on to what no longer service you or serve you. Say it with me, or one last time I'll request you, I am sorry, I am sorry, please forgive me, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Let the magic begin. If this touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Putruz Mimi. I'll come back with a new and affirmative videos. Thank you for watching me. Bye bye.